Why be dry when there's so much splashy water right nearby? We could be in that great big splashy puddle that I see. Follow me! Not everybody wants to be wet, but we can splash it away for now, 'cause I don't see anybody yet. Splash! 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 Splash!
Bigger splash! Bigger splash!
Hey! That spray! I see sprinklers sprinkling up the way.
Can we splash there?
Yes! Unless it's a better move to start with a request. I'll explain. Not everybody wants to be wet. So if you see someone, you need to find out how wet they wanna get. May we splash here, please?
Yes, may we splash here, please?
Well, this water is for thirsty flowers.
And we'd like to stay dry, so...
Not here, please.
That's okay. We can find another place.
Let's keep looking.
Splash! Splash!
Tubs with suds.
We can get that water splashing out in floods.
Great! But wait! We gotta ask one thing before we celebrate. 'Cause believe it or not everybody wants to be wet.
I want to be wet.
Me too! So when we see someone, we like to find out how wet they wanna get. May we splash here, please?
Yes, may we splash here, please?
Well, the more splashing, the cleaner my clothes get. So I'm gonna roll with it.
Splash! 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 Splash!
And enlarge!
How wet can you get?
How wet can you get?
Bigger splash! Bigger splash! Yippee! The sea!
And what better place for splashing could there be?
Works for me.
Dash! To splash! But first, one question.
May we splash here, please?
Well, it is the beach.
Yay!